I actually think they're gonna be good. I'm only concerned about the knit, the fly knit. There's no real support around it. I don't know if they would tear easy or there's not enough support though. We'll see. All right, we're here on a beautiful, wintry Southern California day. I'm about to do my usual run at the beach, my favorite place to run. And I was reading online about all the the hype sneakers and how they're all like trainers and runners, and I was looking for a pair of shoes that I could travel with that not only looks cool when you're on the plane, you can go out at night, and you can run in. So I was like, I don't have a pair of Yeezys. Why don't I try to run in them and see if they're the perfect shoes? So I got a pair of these. These are the black and white zebras. Don't mind the tag. I'll tell you why I have the tag on. Don't mind the tag. I'll tell you why I have the tag on. Because at the end of this run, as long as they're very comfortable and they don't get destroyed, I'm gonna give these away. I really want to see if these are true running shoes. And so I hit my boy Mike from A Sneaker Life. Him and I are gonna go on a 3-mile run and we're gonna see how good of running shoes these actually are. Because Kanye's probably in Calabasas running in these, so why can't I run in these in Santa Monica?
I'm all thinking it's cold out. Nope.
It's hot, it's 80 degrees today.
That's crazy. What's going on? How you doing?
I don't want it to be about oh, you're just taking advantage. I'm like, no, I'm actually into this stuff. Yeah. Like, I want people to work out. If this will get you working out, then come on. That's why I did that run challenge, because people wanted the free store credit.
Yeah.
So I'm like, cool, if that's gonna get you working out,
motivated,
then do it.
Everybody talking about Mike a fat boy now. We gonna start running and lose all that weight, so let's get it.
Shirts off at like Coachella.
Yeah. All my comments are now, Mike, you getting a little hefty, bro.
Yeah.
I would like to ask you to describe your profession. I'm an artist.
We running.
Let's go. Let's get it. I'm tired already.
Don't worry, I'll slow it down for you. Keep an easy pace. Woo! Mad comfortable. I feel like I'm flying.
I think I got about 5,000 miles on my Yeezys.
So far, so good. Pretty comfortable.
Surviving. I want to keep up with you. I know.
The post-run sponsor is Hennessy. Look at the view. Looks like the old man's a little too fast for these young dudes. Can you even see them? Health is wealth. Don't let age stop you. We got this. 2 miles. Still feeling good. Ask him how he feels.
You know, I'm still shouting out Grand AC out here, so we good. Colorado, you know, just a little bit of snow and everything. Come out here, sun shining, it's beautiful.
Hey!
I would like to ask
Goddamn. You know, I had to stop so you can catch up, you know what I'm saying?
I feel that. Shout out to D, bro. I don't know how he does it.
He's the man, bro.
All right, we're at about the halfway mark. Feeling pretty good. Heel's good. All of my feet is good. It's really my toes. Feel a little tight. I sized up. I went to 12 instead of 11 and a half usually. Still comfortable. How can you not love this? Winner. All right, all done. Finished. 3 miles. 3.07. 9-minute mile in Santa Monica between new shoes, vlogging, trying to motivate Mike and Anush. I'd say it's okay. Check the shoes. Grand AC gear, keeping me fly, cool. When we run, we fly. So let's just wait for Mike and Anush now. I'm all about people taking their pace, run at your own discretion, play it safe, but damn, these guys are slow.
Shout out to all that. I need somebody to pick me up on a bike right now.
Oh, I see them. They're the maroon shirt is Mike chugging along. I think I knew she's gone. There he is. Looking good. Not even a drop of sweat.
My legs got heavier and heavier.
How were the shoes though?
If they were new, they'd be better, you know what I'm saying?
You think it has to do with that?
Oh, definitely.
I was also thinking like, did you feel they were a little narrow right there?
Oh yeah, my toes are killing me.
Yeah, I think they are narrow. They were fine at the ball.
I'm pretty sure the bottom of my foot is gone.
The ball was fine, the heel was fine. It's a little narrow at the toes. I was a little surprised. I mean, obviously that's the design, but because I don't think you can run like a marathon.
No way. You could, but you'd be hurt.
Yeah. Marathon in style, probably not. But look at the new chugging.
Isn't it? Snapchatting at the same time.
Yeah, it don't count if you can't gram it.
I don't know how they do this. We're here. We're here.
We support all weight sizes.
Yeah. Large Supreme, right? You know what it is though? If you're gonna start it, at least finish it.
Yeah.
That's it.
There it is, kids. The shoes are comfortable. A little narrow.
Would you run in them again though?
For travel purposes, I would run with them. Like, if I usually don't check in bags. So if I have to carry on only, and I gotta look fly because I know I got a bunch of things, then I don't mind taking these. I think a clean white Ultra Boost is still good for that purpose.
Yeah, it goes with everything. Yeezys is more of like a flex.
Yeah, if you gotta flex and work out, then we do that.
Exactly. But if you're trying to be casual, Ultra Boost all day.
You Fugazi runners, this is for you. What up? See, I told you how to camera.
Oh, what content? What up? What's up? What up? What's up?
Got shower.
Lot of cams here. Too many cams.
It just got back.
Another camera.
You know, we're just DJing, listening to live music.
Let's see you, matinee.
Yes.
We out here doing nothing.
Just because he was like,
Yeah, it just sounds cool, right?
Alright, you got perfect timing because I'm giving away these Yeezys.
right now?
Yeah.
For what?
You know when I first read about all these shoes, they were like, oh, these are trainers, these are runners. It actually got inspired by when you're in Miami, you ran into off-white joints.
Dirty as hell.
Okay. And I was like, wow, you can actually run in those? Because they're running shoes, they're trainers. So what I wanted to do was do a running review on these. So I ran 3 miles in these.
It's trash.
It's actually really comfortable heel, ball of the feet, narrow on the toes.
Yeah, that's how these are.
Yeah, I ran in these and then I was like, I don't need any more shoes, so I'm just gonna give them away after the end of the run. But the whole thing about it was you have to just comment on this vlog what health and wellness improvements you're gonna make in 2018, and the best one, you can have these. Size 11.5.
Giving
like,
away some Yeezys.
not that anyone cares, you're just gonna resell them anyways, but and I'm gonna throw in some cleaner so you can clean them. 1 run, 3 miles. And I ran with this camera, which is really exhausting. And I left the tag on because I know that's important. It's funny, this is my first pair of Yeezys, and I saw this and I was like, man, my boy gave me fake ones? They're spelled backwards.
These are 11.5. These look huge.
Oh, these are 12. Sorry, they're 12. Shout out to Flight Club.
Resale or resale? Retail was what, 250?
250, yeah.
Resale
I'm
probably.
talking a resale.
Yeah, probably.
Like 700, 800.
How much
Flight
are the
Club's high
OGs?
too though.
Yeah.
Like the Nikes or like.
The
first one's like the Turtle Dove or whatever.
12, 1300. I saw them Saturday.
Yeah, they're a lot.
I have
Yeah.
those.
But they
I
actually
mean,
are good running. Like
They
when
were.
if you're
They
taking
were.
only one
Yeah.
pair,
Well, they were higher.
you gotta have like the on flight. Gotta flex at dinner. Run 3. If you had to run a marathon with this, I'd sue Kanye.
They're not good then.